Most youth groups have one of two problems. Either their meetings are all lesson, which makes them boring, or they're all games, which makes them lack depth. The key to breaking through these barriers is to play games that help you teach your lesson. I'll give you an example. A while ago, we posted a video called Pan Bang, where the leader hits a pan with a spoon a certain number of times. However many times the leader hit the pan is how many people you need to get into a group with. Inevitably, what ends up happening is a group has too many people and they forcefully shove someone out of their group. This game is fun on its own. I mean, who doesn't love shoving their friends? But what really sets this activity apart is the discussion it enables you to have at the end of your meeting. This game lets you establish that things are going to be different in your group. Instead of pushing each other away like you did in the game, you're going to look for opportunities to invite people in and to build them up. In a world that so often preaches the exact opposite, you can use this game to set your group apart. You already know how hard it is to find games online that are fun in the first place, let alone games that teach a lesson. And that's why ActuallyFun is launching our biggest resource ever, ActuallyFun PRO. Every month you'll be sent 2 game-driven lessons. Not only do these lessons give you an idea for a great activity that you can easily lead, but you'll also get a comprehensive set of questions you can use to guide your discussion. An effective breakdown at the end of your meeting shouldn't just be a one-way street where you're just preaching at your youth. Instead, it should be an open conversation, and these questions help facilitate exactly that. And if you want to see exactly the kind of thing that you're getting, I've already linked the very first game-driven lesson, Blueprint, for free in the description below. Here's my promise. This curriculum will take your youth group to the next level, all while requiring a fraction of the effort that you normally have to put in. But that's not all you get for joining, because you'll also be invited to our Youth Workers Mastermind, a monthly meeting of industry leaders dedicated to helping each other find even more ways to improve. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and so by getting connected with our network of professionals, you'll get direct answers to questions, immediate ways to improve your meetings, and a library of shared resources. And on top of that, you'll get 10% off of everything in our store, and you'll get 2-week early access to every YouTube video. We wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to build connections in your group, and ActuallyFun PRO will transform your ministry. Our website has a section right at the top that says ActuallyFun PRO, and from the bottom of that page, you'll have 2 options for signing up, being billed monthly or annually. Monthly is less of a commitment, but you'll save over 15% if you choose to pay annually. Both plans offer you the same benefits, but the price for both is only locked in for the first 10 people to sign up. And so sign up now to become a Youth Ministry Pro.